Here's how to solve a slow or lagging machine. On your keyboard, Windows R to open the run model. Then you type in temp, click OK. Then you select a file. Then you press Ctrl A to select it all and then delete. Sometimes you might need to try again or skip some files. Then we close it, same Windows R again to open the run model. Then percentage temp percentage. Okay, select a file. Then we control A again, delete. We might need to skip or try again some files because they are open in the background. And then after you are done, you can restart the machine to see the changes take effect. If you find this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay curious and let's stay connected.